What's good, YouTubers? It's Corey from DrifterTVHD coming to you with a quick unboxing of Friday, Menace to Society, and Set It Off on Blu-ray. I purchased this triple pack from Walmart for 13 bucks. Let me know what you guys think of these films in the comment section below. Me personally, Friday and Menace to Society are the best films on this triple pack. Set It Off is just an added bonus for me. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Corey from DrifterTVHD, and I'm out.